Hi, I'm John Trishler. In a previous video, I showed you the 40-inch light bar with the mounting system that I designed for the 2017 plus F-150 Raptors. That's still available. This light bar fits perfectly flush to the grill, and from the back side it mounts in here. It gives you that clean OEM look. Doesn't stick out any further than the letters do, does not block the camera in any way, and puts out every bit as much light as any rigid light bar that you'd ever see. And it looks clean, and that's the idea behind it. So you can see with the special mounts here that I've designed, this light bar is going to sit up completely flush to the grill, and you can see there's just a tiny little gap, so it's about as close as you can possibly get. But again, this sits flush. Now if you look really close, you're going to see there's a foam gasket there too. That eliminates the actual metal from touching the plastic, so you shouldn't have any issues. If you ever took this off, you'd never know it was there. And then I've got some other some inserts here to secure that grill with an ABS plastic insert, and that runs the length here of the grill. But today I'd like to show you the additional lighting system that is available to complement that, and how they kind of all work together. So today's video, we've got the three rigid fogs here, and I'm going to kind of explain what each fog does and how they're set up. That integrates right into the factory bumper with a specialty bracket. All right, so in this setup I have three fogs. The inner one is the spot lights. One reason to put that on the inside is because part of that wide light would get blocked from the inside of that bumper there. So it's important to put your spot on the far inside. Next, we've got the SAE, which is a street legal fog. So you can actually leave this on when you're driving on the street. And then the last is a spot flood combo called the driving. Of course, you can do any combination of lights that you want with these specialty brackets. If you want to do ambers and that sort of thing, I can accommodate you there as well. So definitely contact me, let me know what you're looking for as far as that setup goes. But on the far inside, again, you kind of want to stick with those spots. So let's go ahead and take a look at how those lights look lit up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and flip these switches. So, you know, with these auxiliary switches that come on the Raptors, you can actually pick whichever switch you want. There's wires under the hood as far as hookup for those go. So you can choose which switch you want based on the wire. But in order, the switches that I used, again, this is personal preference. Auxiliary 1 for the light bar, and you see that lights up. Auxiliary 2 is going to be our spotlight, and auxiliary 3 is our SAE or street legal light, and auxiliary 4 is going to be our spot flood combo, that driving light. And that leaves you two. So, you know, if you have some additional lighting that we want to put on here, we can do that as well. All right, so this is the entire setup. And now I'm going to also show you some night shots so you can see how these really light up your surroundings. So let's just get a little bit of a shot here first. So we've got no lights on other than the headlights. So these are just the dims on the headlights, as you can see. All right, now I'm going to go flip each light on one by one. First one here I turned on was the LED light bar for the grill. This is the 40-inch LED light bar. The next one I turned on here, these are the spotlights. All right, so now we have our LED light bar, our spotlights, and our SAE driving lights. But that is just a lot of light. It just covers everything. Everything you want light on, with this combination, it just covers everything. All right, so this complete light setup is actually very cool. So let's go ahead and try these out here at night. So first I'm going to turn on these spotlights, then the SAE lights, now our driving spot flood combo, and the light bar. You can see all the lights actually fill a different gap in coverage. Unbelievable amount of light that these things put out. I mean, look at that. Lights it up just like the daylight. So really incredible package when you put them all together. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the fogs, and you can see what a difference that the light bar itself makes. Again, without and with. fogs again. 1, 2, 3, and then the light bar, so you can see again, lights everything up. So again, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.